Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Elevator Man 16 here. I want to touch base about the video that y'all are about to watch. This is about my Smoke Guard 900 and my General Electric 8201001. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the 8201001 with me for whatever reason, which I got relocated, by the way. I'm not staying in Tennessee anymore due to my drug addiction. I'm hoping person I was staying with originally was my mother, and whenever I got all my vintage smoke alarms out a few days ago, I couldn't find the 8201001. Um, for whatever reason, it was missing. I'm hoping that she'll inform me on that. I already informed to know if it's there or not. But this is the video. The smoke guard I did not test because I didn't have any nuts, and I still don't. Which those are what I wire up hardwire alarms with to make a connection. I don't know what happened to my nuts. Last I checked, the last time I used them was for that FireX FX1020, which I also got another PCB for, which I am going to do a project on that down the road too, which I will also post a couple of shorts. But when I do, I will be glad to do a video and test of these alarms. The GE I will be able to hear, and this was right before my addiction got so bad where I went to jail and cost me to be on probation and going to drug rehab in about a week. So, hope y'all enjoy. This is the video, and it begins now. Elevator Man 16. Y'all have a good one. Yo, what's going on, YouTube? Today is the official day of reunion, of retirement, or should I say unretirement, of two bids that I won. One of them I ain't post yet, but y'all are about to see. But here's the box. Ha! I wrote everything so no one can find me. Well, you know. Let's unbox the box. Alright. Been waiting to say this for a very long time. This second one, man, I'm telling you, man, it's a steal. Believe me, you're gonna love this. I promise you. Especially some of you people. And this one, I feel it's about to have a special type of horn, but then again, it might be a scam. But we're about to find out now. So here's the first one. Wow. Okay. Here it is. The Smoke Guard. Golly, this thing is so cold. Alright. I'm hoping to God this thing works, but if not, it's a good thing it wasn't you guys. That could have been a sign right there, so one of my detectors out the way. By the way, that collection is coming soon. So in case you're wondering, don't worry. The collection's coming. Alright. God, this thing is heavy. You can tell this is a classic alarm right here. Okay. Now, the big one. Alrighty. Damn. They really wrapped this thing up good. Damn. Okay. Alrighty. That is probably the most headache box I've yet came across. It looks like a huge Christmas present. Alright. Oh, I see it. I don't know what the hell is with all these damn movie stickers. Alrighty. Wow. Alright. That could have been a sign. But anyways. Y'all ready? I'm sure y'all already see, but yeah, that's right, boys and girls. Or should I say, folks. I got it. In case y'all are wondering. Let's see what we're about to deal with, shall we? Okay, so here's some tags that was very important. God, this shit's so dang cold. Excuse my language. That'll be the last time you'll hear me. And if not, it'll be a once more cuss. Alright? I'm probably going to be making some people laugh. And that's what I'm hoping for. Because, alrighty. And here it is. And yes. Okay. Here it is. Yep. The GE AO2 8201001. Holy crap, this thing is cool. Oh man, this thing is cold. Alright, let's open it. Oh, I forgot this thing. I gotta put it on. Yes! I thought it was gonna be a scam, but it's not. It is the horn. Deja vu. Alrighty. Alright. Sorry about that. I tried finding my nuts for the those. And I'm gonna have to go to Ace Hardware because I don't know where they are right now. But the good news is we're gonna be testing the special GE. I have no idea what the hell this thing's gonna sound like. Something's telling me to keep the earbuds out for this one too. So here we go. Take this out. I am gonna install my 201 right in. Bear with me. Oh, it sounded just like the other one. All right. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. That scared the hell out of me. Alright, it sounds good. But yeah, I'll go ahead and be right back. Alright, so y'all notice this? Some typical reasons, which I'll explain more later down the road. But anyways, we're gonna put this right back in. Alright. Now we're gonna wait and see if it trips, because one battery makes these things trip. And I wanna see what's about to happen. But this is probably the coolest GE. Cooler than my, it's definitely like the cooler version of my 301. And don't mind the tape if I ain't mentioned already. Don't, like I said, don't mind the tape. I had an accident recently, just right before I got fired, and I had the super flu, which you guys, for me, that is what it looks like when that goes off. But yeah, you guys, stay safe out there, because this world is in a war zone right now. People like lie too much, all that. And yeah, but I'm gonna be alright back. I'm gonna put this battery in here so that way we will give it a test. And alrighty, so Hopefully I didn't take the battery clips out. Let's give it a test. Now that's exactly weird because earlier it did the louder trip and now it's doing the little trip now. This alarm is very interesting. Probably the interesting one I've seen than the one I previously seen. Alright, so these are the two alarms. This one I couldn't find any nuts, so I'm gonna probably have to go and get some more later on today, and do a quick little test. I'll probably do it right when the video's over. So, with by all means, Saturday. I'm gonna figure out how we can take this block off, because believe it or not, this happens to be my first smoke guard. And this, okay, that was it. Something was messing with me there. Okay, bear with me. Alright. Smoke guard model number 982. So yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Here's the, oops, whoa. Here's the back. Here's the wire. Trying to see what the date is. That one's so cool. I can't even. I don't have much to say because I gotta go to the store and get some more clips. And then I'm gonna post a short and do a test video. Hope you guys enjoy. But again, this one's probably the most magical one I've ever seen in my life. But I hope y'all always enjoy. Goodbye.